No, I think it's only been weeks, right? Yeah, I think it's been weeks. Yeah. After weeks of procrastination, we are finally here and we are doing my home office. I've been pushing this aside for the longest time because I've been busy with work, with existing projects I have, and so this became an afterthought, but we're finally here, we're finally going to do it, and I'm really excited. So just to walk you through the process, we are going to buy 2 sets of chairs, maybe a couple of frames, decor, paint, because we're painting again. We are painting this because I want to use this. I've already been using this. I house my wallpapers, supplies, magazines here, and so I really want to use this for the home office. And yeah, I'm going to paint my door and a couple more things. Probably my logo on like a particular side of the wall. I'm not sure yet, but it's gonna be great. I'm really excited for this. My brother is actually going to pick me up tomorrow. He is my designated driver for the day, and we're going to get everything that we need, and I'm excited. Yes, that's about it, I guess. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hello! We got the goods, we got the paint and the stuff and the yes. I don't know why I'm so attracted to these. I mean, are they cute? Are they not cute? I find them cute. Oh no! I mean, I really like it. It feels very chill and natural. Ugh.
Wardrobe. I don't want to wear clothes I like because things might get messy and I don't want to paint my clothes I like. So we'll probably start with painting this because I think it's the biggest project we have for this space and we gotta start somewhere. So okay. These are cute. Merry Christmas. Is it wiggling? Probably not. Merry Christmas. Not really. That time lapse did not justify how heavy and tiring that was. Yep. We got the goods, and the goods is kind of heavy. Okay, so, should I kneel? Can you still see me? Okay, so, we got the pinks, we got the blue, and we got the yellow. And now for wood. Oh, yep. This is the yellow. This is the blue. Okay. Sandpaper. Primer. Ow. Okay. Should we move this to the home office? Or should we leave it here? I think it's a good idea to leave it here and paint it here and sand it here. Just because I don't want to make a mess in the home office. Okay, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to them. So hey guys, this took longer than I expected it to. My wrists are really painful and I don't know if I can continue on, but yeah, we'll probably continue tomorrow and finish painting this. I'll try to wake up earlier so we can finish everything faster. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There. Say bye-bye there. Bye-bye there. Say bye-bye there. There. Here. Here. Bye! It's been 2 days and I don't want to work on this today just because I don't want to. So we're going to just hang up frames, which is something I don't want to do either, but it's the adult thing to do, and apparently I'm already one, so yeah, let's go do that. Transition. We are here. Yeah, so this is the wall. This is where we will hang stuff. I already tried to do it, but it's hard. It's really hard. So so I broke it. Can you see that? Can you see it? There. I'm just gonna call someone to do it for me. Or maybe okay, let's just do something else today. It's not my day. Not my day today. going to sand this door. Let's just keep moving. Hey guys, so yesterday was rough. I guess I got frustrated because there were things that I wanted to do or I thought I could do, but I couldn't do them, and so it just became this whole thing. It ruined my day. But today I decided to ask for help, which is really a good thing because then now everything is running much smoothly, everything is going faster, and I'm honestly really relieved. I mean, I guess I realized that I won't always get to do things right the first time around. Everything is a process. We're all still learning and growing, and that is honestly a beautiful thing. So, embracing the things that we can do, we're about to do something that I can do, which is to finish this makeover. It's our setup and styling day, and I'm really excited because in a short while I'll be able to reveal the space to you guys. So yeah, let's get to work. You guys through this space. The first thing you will see when you enter the room is this arch. I was originally supposed to paint my logo, but it just didn't feel right for me. And so I thought about putting "do what you love," but I sometimes forget that I love what I do. And so that's when I decided to put "remember, you love what you do." This will serve as a reminder for me, especially when things get too stressful, when I want to quit. This will remind me to keep going, to keep pushing, and to just keep on working because I love what I do. As you can see, my home office is very small, and so having a desk with a glass top, perfect. Light can pass through, it's not too heavy on the eyes, it's perfect. And for the chair, I didn't want a conventional chair. And so when I saw this, I instantly fell in love. I love how it looks very linear. The simplicity of the lines just got me, and it's white I love this. Much like the arch wall, this gallery wall is a reminder for myself that I am doing something. It's so easy to think that you're not doing enough, that you're being left behind, that you're not doing anything at all. And so having my previous projects framed on my wall, on my home office, serves as a reminder for me that I am doing something, that I am working, and that everything just takes time. And I don't know, I love seeing these. These are all proof of God's grace in my life, and I'm grateful. And these frames I specifically chose because they match our wallpaper. They match the overall theme and concept of this room. If you know me, you would know that I love color, and so painting this blue was something that I really wanted to do. It just adds character, you know. It gives that, it catches your attention. And on top, we just styled it with gold accents and vases and dried blues. And this frame, when you put this side by side with the gallery wall picture frames, they really match. And I love that. We love that. We love a good match. Playing with the beiges, the browns, the golds. Perfect. I've always wanted a neon sign just because it made me feel legit. And so we are now legit. And then the flowers, because the flowers on the wallpaper, the blues. Yeah. And now last but not the least, this yellow wall. If you've seen our whimsical wall small space makeover, this is the same yellow we painted there, and I really wanted to bring that here. It's the small space before my home office, and so it just really ties in together really well. Showing you now an angle where you can see the wall and the door and everything, just, that's the vision turning into a reality. I love how you can see the yellow from the door and the yellow from the wall, and how in the mirror it reflects the arch pink wall. You can see all the colors, the yellows, the blues, and the pinks, and it's just beautiful. I really love how everything just fell into place.